In this video, we will learn how to test fungus for the production of polyphenol oxidase using the polyphenol oxidase test proposed by Jorgensen and Velby in 1953. At first, we will prepare a liquid medium, and for it we will need a red cabbage, a knife, a graduated cylinder, an Erlenmeyer flask, dextrose, one beaker, a heat plate, a valance, and some cheesecloth. The first step is to cut the cabbage leaves in small pieces and remove the stalks. After cutting the cabbage, we weigh it in a beaker and we will need 500 grams to prepare 1 liter of medium. Now we just add 500 ml of distilled water into the cabbage. Then we're going to place the beaker into the hot plate at maximum temperature and we will let it sit there until the water boils. Once the water is boiling, we will let it boil for 10 minutes. Now, we will filter the extract through a cheesecloth into a new beaker. We will add 250 ml of distilled water into the filtrate. We place the filtrate on top of the hot plate and let it there until it boils. Then we wait for another 10 minutes. Now we filter again the filtrate we just prepared using a cheesecloth and we complete the filtrate with water to get 1000 ml and we add 20 grams of dextrose we have already weighed. As our medium is ready, we just need to pour about 40 ml on each one of the Erlenmeyers where we are going to grow the fungus. And finally, we seal each of the Erlenmeyers with a piece of aluminum foil. Then we just autoclave the medium and it is ready to grow the fungus we're going to test. At this point, we're going to grow the fungus on the liquid medium that we just prepared. The materials we will use are the sterile medium we prepared, one blade, and a mature Rhizoctonia culture. First, we set up the blade. Then, we take the mature Rhizoctonia culture, remove the paraffin, this is the way it looks like. And then with the blade we cut small pieces of it. So we open the liquid media. Keep in mind that this one's sterile as well. Open the liquid media, then take the small piece of the fungus and place it in the liquid media. Then we just seal again with the aluminum foil the culture and repeat the procedure with as many Erlenmeyers as we have. Then we incubate the cultures at 25 degrees in darkness for between 2 and 3 weeks. After 2 weeks, we're going to see a change in the color of the medium where we grow the fungus. If the medium turns reddish, it means that the fungus does not produce polyphenol oxidases. But in the case that it turns yellow, it means that it produces polyphenol oxidases. As we can see in the picture, Rhizoctonia in fact turned the medium color to yellow. The authors of this methodology propose that this change in color towards yellow is caused by a subproduct, a yellow pigment, which is formed in the red cabbage extract by polyphenol oxidase producing fungi, and it is presumably an oxidation product of the red cabbage anthocyanin and rububrescin. Thank you for watching this video and have a